This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 2nd of May. I'm James Spann. Another windy, sunny day for Alabama today. We're dry through Thursday. There might be a few spotty showers around by Friday afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, but the weekend certainly not a washout. And next week looks to be the warmest week so far this year, which makes sense as we are now into May. Let's begin with the upper air look, the big picture, if you will. Kind of the classic Omega block. We have an upper low near San Francisco, an upper low near Buffalo, New York, with ridging in between. And often those patterns are very slow to break down. But we are in a very dry air mass. Visible satellite view, sunny across the state. Got a few cumulus clouds over the northeastern counties of the state. And a few sprinkles over East Tennessee, but Alabama is rain-free, and we stay dry through Thursday. Temperatures are still below average. The average high for Birmingham for the state is 79. It's 74 at 2:30. Haleyville 69, but down south we have 81 for Mobile. Dothan 79, Montgomery at 77. And again, we have a wind advisory for areas north and east of Birmingham. The county's in brown on that map. We've got strong west winds again today, gusting to 35 miles an hour in spots. And again, that's simply a tight pressure gradient. Happens pretty often in April and early May. The counties in the hot pink there in Georgia, that is a red flag warning because of the wildfire danger there. And around the nation, fairly quiet this afternoon. We have a chance of severe storms over West Texas and parts of eastern New Mexico later today and tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from West Texas up into parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle, Kansas and Colorado. And day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe storms again through parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Amounts under 1/2 inch for east and south Alabama, about 1/2 to 1 inch for north and west Alabama. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. And the Omega block still there. Upper low near San Francisco. Upper low that's over Pennsylvania, ridging in between. And accordingly, the weather will not change much. It's going to be a sunny and a breezy day, not quite as windy as today. The gradient should relax a bit. Highs again, low to mid-70s in most spots. This is Thursday. Will be a sunny day with highs in the 70s. And then Friday, moisture tries to come back, but really, I think a decent chunk of the day will be dry. The high Friday should be close to 80. And there could be a few isolated showers Friday afternoon or Friday evening, but probably not many. And that's kind of the ideal for the weekend. This is Saturday. We're expecting low 80s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with a chance of scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. But again, I think the sun's going to be out at times, and I think a decent chunk of the day will be dry. And the same thing on Sunday. Sunday looks relatively dry here, only isolated showers, highs, low 80s. And then next week, kind of showery as we go along here. This is Monday, evidence of a few little isolated showers. And this is a week from today, Tuesday, May the 9th. We have a short wave ridge in place, but enough moisture for scattered showers. And I think almost every day next week there'll be some chance of scattered showers. But again, it could be toward the end of the week before we see really widespread rain. In fact, let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, May 12th. And all of a sudden, the GFS tries to develop a deep upper low just north and west of the state with a surface reflection over southern Missouri. And if that verifies, there could be some strong storms toward the end of next week. But this idea is new, and it really doesn't have a lot of support from the European at this point, but just something to watch. But there's evidence that storms could be a little more active toward the end of next week. This is a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean of the ensemble members is the green line. About 3 inches between now and the 18th of May. And yes, indeed, heat levels are coming up. We'll stay in the 70s through Friday, and then low to mid-80s for the weekend and Monday, and then maybe some upper 80s in here toward the middle and end of next week. Yeah, buddy, summertime is getting close. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, this is for May 10th through May 16th. And if this verifies, temperatures here across the deep south and much of the eastern U.S. will be above average. Had a great time today in Sulligent. Saw a big senior adult group at Sulligent First Baptist Church. Tomorrow I'm going to be in Helena. I got to Helena Intermediate School in the morning, and then Helena Elementary School after that. Thursday going to Marshall County, Albertville Middle School, and then back to Shelby County for Calera Elementary. And then Friday I'll be up in Blount County, Hayden Primary School. And then Saturday we have an event from 9 until 11 in Asheville with the National Weather Service and the St. Clair County EMA. This is not a book signing, but it's a weather awareness, severe weather awareness event. And we will be giving out free weather radios. This will be at the Pinedale Volunteer Fire Department over around Pinedale Shores. And again, that's 9 until 11. And we're going to have Weather Service folks will be there, EMA folks. Again, if you want to learn how to keep your family safe, come see us Saturday in Asheville. Hey, we have notes over on the blog, alabamawx.com. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.